And we are first cutting across to breaking news coming in as Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has cited a Pakistan media report in his tweet. Now, Imran has said, and I quote, according to this report, 34% of households across India will not be able to survive for more than a week without any assistance. I am ready to offer help and share our successful cash transfer program, lauded internationally for its reach and transparency with India. This is the tweet that has been put out by Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan at a time when his own country is battling COVID and there has been a rise in the number of COVID cases. Not just that, so many Pakistanis who were left stranded by the Pakistan government and how the Pakistanis had to cry out for help from the government. This apart the deteriorating economic condition that the country is battling, here is the Prime Minister of Pakistan, instead of focusing on his own people, trying to offer aid to India on a report that too put out by Pakistan media itself. Tejinder Singh Sodhi, our Jammu Bureau Chief, is joining us live on the broadcast. Tejinder, how is it that Imran Khan even has the audacity to put out a tweet like this when his own people have been complaining of not just the poor, deteriorating economic condition, but how so many are struggling fighting COVID, and Pakistanis who've not been paid any attention to by the government, but here is Imran Khan trying to offer aid to India. Is this even a joke?
See, Swesha, nothing could be more hilarious than this tweet by Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan. We know that Imran Khan and his government, even his army chief, they are going from country to country with a begging bowl. We also saw how the entire Pakistan economy, Pakistani government, the people in Pakistan, they are surviving on the arms which Pakistan is getting from another countries. We have been seeing that Pakistan going from country to country with a begging bowl, asking for some aid, some relief for the country, and now Pakistani Prime Minister has the audacity to say that he's ready to offer assistance to the people across India. So nothing could be more hilarious than this. So clearly we know that Pakistan, which is itself surviving on arms, it is unable to fight the coronavirus. We know how in India, because of the efforts of the government, because of the efforts of our corona warriors, we have been able to somehow control the spread of the disease. We have been able to manage that our economy does not sink any further. We have been able to revive some part of our economy. But see, on the Pakistani side, Pakistan first refused to declare a shutdown just to save their economy. They were least bothered about the people. But you see here in India, the government went for a shutdown, not caring about the economy. For Indian government, the priority was to save the lives of people. But on the contrary, in Pakistan, the people are dying. There are fewer tests being conducted to find out the spread of the disease. But Pakistani Prime Minister has the audacity to send such a tweet wherein he is saying that his government is ready to offer assistance while the entire Pakistan is surviving on the arms on which they are begging from various other countries. We know that it is Pakistani Prime Minister who himself has been coming and appealing to the people to contribute from their own saving. The tax have been increased to large extent. People are unable to get even food grains to eat, and adding to that is the problem being created by
and it is for the world to see. I want to also take a quick reaction from Major Gaurav Arya, who's with us on the phone line. And Major Gaurav Arya, what did you first think when you saw this tweet? Because Imran Khan is offering help to, Imran Khan is offering help to India. Clearly a man who should be looking into his own backyard of how Pakistanis are suffering on so many accounts. And they need their government's help.
See, Pakistan is beyond help. I don't know what Imran Khan wants to do. He's like a child who's looking for attention. Please try and understand the psychology of Imran Khan. Over the past 100 days, he has been tweeting against Narendra Modi ji. He's been tweeting against India, trying to elicit a response from India. And what is actually hurting Imran is that nobody from India is responding. So he's getting weirder and weirder, and he's getting more mad in his tweets every day, saying that we will do this. So, somebody from India should respond and give him that kind of importance. So he keeps on doing this. We know about his substance abuse problems. it's very, it's not a secret. It's open about his habits of substance abuse, etc. And because Narendra Modi or anybody is not responding to him, he's getting very upset. And like a petulant child, he's throwing a tantrum, that's all. Nothing needs to be read into this.
But isn't he also making a joke of his own government by putting out a tweet to this effect? Because the entire world is aware of how Pakistanis are suffering, how their economic condition is only deteriorating, how they are not being able to handle COVID. In fact, so many Pakistanis who were left stranded by their own government, and it was India instead that had offered help to bring back Pakistanis from overseas who were complaining and crying to their own government for help. So, at a time like this, Imran Khan putting out a tweet like this, won't his own people mock it?
No, I think you're looking at it the wrong way. Pakistan has been the subject of mockery for the past 72 years. When they go abroad, Pakistanis, when they go abroad, they hide the fact that they are Pakistanis. They say that they are Indians. A very famous Pakistani journalist called Najam Sethi did an elaborate 1-hour program on this. Their restaurants are called Indian restaurants. Their former prime ministers are stripped at US airports. You see, nobody takes Pakistan. That whole nation is a joke. Why should we blame Imran Khan alone? Imran Khan is a Pakistani. You said, how far can the apple fall from the tree? You tell me. He's a Pakistani. How good can he get actually? This is the best that Pakistan can come up with, you see. And the fact that the Indians are not responding, Narendra Modi is not responding, this is really, this is something that Khan cannot digest. And which is why he's doing all these things on Twitter every single day he does it. It's an old story now.
All right, Major Gaurav Arya, thank you for joining us on the phone line. Tejinder, if I can come back to you, because you were talking to us, and as Major Gaurav Arya puts it, that this is probably to elicit a response from India, which Imran Khan is not getting. But even as they continue to make a mockery of themselves at so many events and so many accounts, this is just another one that is getting added to that list.
Swesha, unfortunately, the people in Pakistan, they are being ruled by a puppet who is being controlled by the Pakistan army. So this is the state of affairs in Pakistan, because now Imran Khan knows that his days are limited. He is no longer in the good books of Bajwa. We saw just a few days ago, Bajwa went to Afghanistan, where he held talks with the Afghani president. So Imran Khan is feeling that he is being isolated. He is not being consulted neither by the army nor by his cabinet colleagues. And on the other hand, time and again, he is being snubbed by India. India is not responding to any of his statements which he has been making. We know that for the past several months, he was tweeting about a so-called false flag operation which the Indian government will conduct. And now Pakistan, he is trying to show that he's ready to help India. But on the other hand, we know that the situation, the economic crisis from which Pakistan is going, it is a matter of days that Pakistan would be a bankrupt country. We know that the sword of FATF, the Financial Action Task Force, blacklisting Pakistan is also hanging on the head of Pakistan. The coronavirus pandemic has taken a very huge toll on Pakistani economy. The people in Pakistan, in several places, there are reports that people are starving. They are not getting any food grains to eat. So this is the situation. The coronavirus has also spread inside the Pakistan army. Several Pakistani soldiers, they have been infected by coronavirus. So Pakistan is in shambles, and just in order to Pakistan's Prime Minister wants to save his grace, save his face, and now he's trying to make these hilarious tweets. Nobody, not even a child, would agree to what Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan is saying, because everybody knows that Pakistani Prime Minister no longer continues to be in the good books of Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army has been, there are reports that Pakistan Army is planning to replace him and install a new puppet in place of Imran Khan. So it is the desperation of Pakistan. The Prime Minister Imran Khan just wants to save his grace, save his face, and that is the reason that he's making these obnoxious and hilarious tweets. Yes, Swesha.
All right, Tejinder, many thanks for joining us. We'll continue to get more reactions on the same. For the moment, we move on.